me just take you through some more antique pieces that are on display in the yard at the Freiburg Fair for you to come and visit and view. Look at the design on that. Look at that. It's kind of pretty in a way. Okay, so this is just some more interesting pieces you'll find. Look at that. Must have caught some logs or something. Definitely cutting. But we've got the blade. Put your tools to work. And you just laid your board right on here. Look at that. Just taking you through some more of the yard. Some more interesting pieces. Look at that. Sit right there on the wagon. I'm not sure what this one is. Definitely turned. Look at that. Interesting piece.
I got one of these.
Now look at this one. It says Blizzard. Wow. Okay.
There's a roller in the winter going. Yeah,
there you go.
An old one up to
this is a silage chopper. Very old. Look at that. Look at the tires.